Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what you need and making the initial fold. Brush through tangles, part ear to ear, and release the top section for the first action. Once done, gather the top section into a loose, low ponytail at the nape, then twist it away from your face until it coils into a flat roll. Make sure to leave the ends tucked under the coil. This creates the volume anchor the XL claw needs. You're now ready to add the clip. You place the XL claw strategically. Open the teeth and center them over the coil's middle where the twist meets your scalp, because that contact point determines hold. Once positioned, slide the teeth under the coil toward the scalp so they grip both roots and the inner twist. Make sure the clip's curve follows your head shape. This keeps tension even. Then close the clip with a confident squeeze. If it clicks and the coil stays flat, you've achieved secure placement. You complete the style by tucking any loose ends neatly into the clip or twisting them under the coil so nothing pokes out. This gives a polished look and balances weight. Once done, test movement. If the clip slips, adjust its angle inward toward the scalp and push the teeth deeper to catch more roots. Make sure to use one bobby pin at the base as a backup for long or heavy hair. If all else fails, swap to 2 opposing clips to distribute tension evenly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.